How to put two videos in one screen on CapCut. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Launch your CapCut. Now click on the option of New Project. With that, your gallery will open up. Now go ahead and select the video. Then click on Add. Once you have selected the video, at the bottom you're going to find different options. Scroll to the right. Here over to the option of Aspect Ratio. Click on it. Now here you're going to find different ratio options. You can set it to any of these. I'm gonna set it to 9:16. Now you have to resize your video using both of your fingers. Once you are done adjusting the video, now what you have to do is add another video. For that, click on this option of Overlay. Click on Add Overlay. Now select the another video. Now you have to adjust this video. Once you are done, you can play the video. So this way you can easily put two videos in one screen on CapCut. Likewise, in the case you want to add another video, you can click on the option of Overlay and apply the same process. Well, this way you can easily put two videos in one screen on CapCut. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.